Well, this is not just a statement, it is a warning shot for the world. Because when a powerful armed group, they say prepare to defend Iran, the Middle East listens, and this time the message is coming from inside a US ally backyard. Let me tell you what really happened here. Well, an Iran-aligned militia in Iraq. The world knows it. Kataib Hezbollah, they have gone public now. No coded language, no diplomatic filters, just one clear message. If Iran is attacked, we are ready for the war. Pause here. What does that really mean? A war? A war with the US? Because Iraq is officially a US partner, American troops are stationed there, US bases operate on Iraqi soil, and now a heavily armed group inside Iraq, it is openly preparing to fight for Iran. Let me quote what the group really said here. They called on resistance fighters across the region. They called them to get ready for a comprehensive conflict. Not a limited clash, by the way, not a symbolic strike, a full-scale regional confrontation, and their warning, it was blunt. Any attack on Iran will not stay confined to Iran. This is the bigger picture, ladies and gentlemen. Tensions between the US and Iran, they are already near boiling point. Well, US warships are moving, military alerts are rising, threats are getting louder. Diplomacy, it is thickening. And now Iran's allies, they are stepping out of the shadows. To know about these enemies, let's talk about Hezbollah. They are not a fringe group. They are battle-hardened, Iran-backed, deeply embedded in Iraq, known for attacking the US interests in the past, and they are considered terrorists. When they speak, they usually act. Now read between the lines here. This is not just about defending Iran anymore. This is about deterrence. The message to Washington, it is quite simple this time. Strike Iran and the region ignites. Be it Iraq, be it Syria, be it Lebanon, be it the Red Sea, be it the Gulf. Every front could lighten up. But you know why now? Because pressure on Iran, it is increasing by every single day. Because military moments, it is visible. Because Tehran's allies, they believe a confrontation may no longer be hypothetical. So they are signaling readiness now before the first missile strikes. Well, this is how wars start. Not with declaration, but with warning. Not with invasions, but with mobilizations. And tonight, one thing is loud and clear. The Middle East is no longer whispering, it is shouting. The message is simple but yet very dangerous. Is this just posturing or the opening act of something much bigger? Because once militia prepare, history tells us that conflict really stays on the pause.